Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Know How. Today our topic is latest recipes. We will discuss some of the best recipes of latest. So let's discuss them one by one. First is chicken Caesar salad. Little jam lettuce is the star of this classic salad. You can add a softly boiled egg, a few crispy bacon rashers, or some sun-dried tomatoes to this dish if you like. On the second number is cherried lettuce with ranch dressing. This salad of crunchy lettuce and crispy bacon is drizzled with a creamy homemade ranch dressing. It is a great side dish for a summer feast. At the third number, we have veg salad with blue cheese dressing. Make the most of little jam lettuce in this gluten-free salad. It would be great served with a crispy skinned, soft in the middle baked potato. At the number 4, we have coronation chicken. Use up leftover roast chicken to make this classic that's as great as a filling for sarnies and jacket potatoes as it is for spooning into crisp lettuce leaves or over salads. On the next we have Nicoise salad, a classic French style salad filled high with baby potatoes, red onion, eggs, little jam lettuce, olives, tuna and capers. Served with a tangy honey mustard dressing. Next we have sweet potato burgers, a vegetarian's dream. This mile-high burger is stuffed with paprika spiced sweet potato patties, avocado, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayo. Second, we have jerk chicken skewers with mango salad. Coat chicken pieces with jerk seasoning and cook over a hot griddle pan for some midweek heat ready for 20 minutes. Serve with a refreshing mango, pepper and sugar snap pea salad. At our list next we have the ultimate blade sandwich. Upgrade your classic blade to our ultimate bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwich with avocado. Make this easy sandwich recipe for a quick midweek lunch for two. Next is butter lettuce with burrata and caper dressing. Burrata is a creamer mozzarella with a lovely luxurious texture. This butter lettuce with burrata and caper dressing is a great simple way to use it. Next is coronation chickpea and apple salad. Make this classic lunch favorite vegetarian by replacing the chicken with chickpeas. Refreshing, crunchy, and full of flavor, this easy salad recipe is ready in just 20 minutes. Next we have hot smoked salmon salad with cheese buttermilk dressing. This fresh crunchy salad topped with soft hunks of salmon is finished off perfectly with a tangy buttermilk and cheese dressing. Next we have MBLT vegan sandwich. Check out this impressive vegan sandwich recipe. This MBLT makes an easy vegan alternative to the British BLT sandwich using shiitake mushroom bacon, plus it is low in calories too. So let's discuss our next latest recipes. Teriyaki mackerel, pineapple and rice lettuce wraps. This recipe of teriyaki mackerel, pineapple and rice lettuce wraps is easy to make and full of fresh Asian flavors. Next is crispy spud salad with sauerkraut, ham cook and peas. Sauerkraut is not only healthy and good for your gut, but its distinct flavor lifts this simple salad with crisp potatoes and salty ham. Prawn agua chili salad. Check out our quick and easy prawn agua chili salad recipe. Agua chili means chili water in Spanish, referring to the fairy dressing. Traditionally, raw prawns would be used, but we have used cooked here to cut down on time. Halloumi and Greek salad wraps. Salty halloumi makes a satisfying vegetarian wrap filling. Serve with a fresh and bright salad for a quick, nutritious midweek meal. Next we have Mexican salad tortilla balls. These vibrant vegan Mexican salad bowls are easy to make. This quick and easy recipe is fresh and has just the right amount of spice and zing. You can make it ready in just 20 minutes. Next we have grilled Caesar salad. Our quick and easy grilled Caesar salad is a great light evening meal. What's more, it is vegetarian and gluten free, plus it comes in at under 500 calories. Next we have chicken lettuce wraps. Substitute flavory wraps for lettuce leaves for a flavor packed low calorie lunch. Next we have Kauli Thai salad. This recipe takes the textures and flavors of a lerb salad, usually made with minced chicken, but gives it a veggie twist with cauliflower and some red chili thrown in for an extra kick of flavor. You can also swap the fish sauce for soy to make it vegan if you like. Next we have grilled little jam lettuce with Tusazo dressing. This recipe comes from Chinese chef Larkin Chen and is served at his Bristol restaurant Wakiko Kiju. Try it as a fancy barbecue side or as part of an Asian inspired feast. Our next latest recipe is chicken and avocado salad. Make our chopped chicken, avocado and tomato salad with plenty of crunchy veg. It has under 400 calories and is ready in 15 minutes. So ideal for a healthy midweek meal. Next we have grilled chicken in lettuce parcels. A lovely Asian inspired canapé that's not too spicy but is wonderfully aromatic with a lemongrass and coriander marinade for the chicken. Let everyone put together the lettuce parcels themselves. Next we have baked feta with chili and chorizo jam and chopped salad. We have used Trackelman's chili and chorizo jam in this low-calorie meal idea. It works perfectly by giving a smoky kick to creamy, salty feta. Next in our list is roast chicken salad with yogurt dressing. Check out this simple roast chicken salad recipe with creamy yogurt, onion dressing and crunchy croutons, plus it's low in calories too. Next we have quick gnocchi salad. Like the French, I pack my classic gnocchi salad with veggies, potatoes, tuna and eggs. Cooking the potatoes and beans together helps the dish come together fast. Next we have warm rice and pinto salad. This vegetarian dish, like the brown rice with pintos, it is so versatile. You can turn it into a wrap or casserole. It is one of the best recipe you should try. Next, we have Mexican layered salad. Here is another popular dish I like to prepare in advance. Adding the cheese and chips just before serving. It is a slightly different version of traditional layered salad. Next, we have strawberry salad with poppy seed dressing. My family is always happy to see this fruit and veggie salad on the table. If strawberries aren't available, substitute mandarin oranges and dried cranberries. You can use them. So next we have Hawaiian meatball lettuce wraps. I make these tangy, sweet appetizers every year during the holidays, and it doesn't take long for them to disappear. Next, we have tropical layered chicken salad. This is a fresh and delicious recipe that is a big hit whenever I take it to a potluck. Always the first go. Next, we have shrimp and avocado salad. This gorgeous shrimp and avocado salad has such authentic flavor. You will think you are sitting at a beachside cantina in Acapulco. So you should try it. Now let's move on to the next latest recipe, which is turkey salad on wheat bread. When one of my favorite lunch spots closed, this recipe let me hold on to more than just good memories. The peas, bacon, and cheese are such a fun and springy combo. I make big batches of the salad for parties. Turns out I am not the only fan. Next is spicy turkey lettuce wraps. My go-to meal after an evening run is this satisfying turkey wrap with jicama, a potato-like root veggie used in Mexican cooking. Next, we have nectarian arugula salad. Here is a summer salad that brightens any supper. The homemade dressing with a hint of berries is perfect with arugula, nectarines, and blue cheese. Next, we have tarragon chicken and romaine salad. This 3-in-1 spring salad combines the best natures of romaine chicken and potato salad, crowned with a touch of crisp bacon. Here in our list of latest recipe we have harvest salad with lime curry dressing. A friend gave me this salad recipe to help me impress my wife who loves citrus. We serve the dressing over greens we harvest from our garden. The lime and curry make a fantastic pairing. It was one of the best recipe I saw. Next we have Mediterranean romaine salad. This salad is my standard. I always make sure I have the ingredients on hand so I can whip up this easy salad anytime. Next we have chicken tostada salad. If I don't have any tostada shells on hand for this speedy salad, I just heat taco shells, break them in half and lay them flat on the plates. It works just as well. Great Southwest flavor. Next we have tuna and white bean lettuce wraps. Here is a fabulous way to dress up ordinary tuna salad. This easy recipe make a quick dinner or lunch at the office and it's good for you. Next we have hearty Asian lettuce salad. This meatless version of your favorite restaurant salad packs 13 grams of protein per serving and is bursting with juicy flavor. It is a brilliant choice for lunch or a busy dinner. Next we have blueberry romaine salad. I love to bring this delicious salad to school gatherings. The homemade dressing couldn't be simpler, so I whip it up in advance and just give it a quick toss with the other ingredients when I get to any event. Next we have tortellini and chicken Caesar salad. My family loved this pasta salad right from the start. So these days I serve it a lot. When grilling season hits, I grill the chicken as a special treat. Next we have mandarin orange and romaine salad. A tangy salad of romaine, celery and oranges with tarragon, vinegar and hot pepper sauce makes a cool companion for turkey dishes. Next we have bacon chicken chopped salad. Here is one of my favorite latest recipe. Chopped salads are so simple and such a fantastic way to eat fresh. Next we have grilled romaine with cheese buttermilk. I was grilling steak one night and wanted to make a special side dish. I recently seen a grilled romaine Caesar recipe and decided to create my own version. This salad goes well with chicken too and couldn't be easier. So these were some of the best latest recipes. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please share with your family and friends and subscribe our YouTube channel Know How. Thank you for watching this video.